Hello people, welcome back to Chebu Electrical Solutions. Now today guys, what do we have here? As usual, uh, today I want to do a simple wiring of come here. Today I want to do a simple wiring of intermediate switch. I want to show you how we do a wiring of a go downs. So where we have multiple doors and multiple lightings. So what do we do? So I want to do a demonstration. I want to do a demonstration of how a go down wiring works. Now, come and show you. This one here is an intermediate switch. So in a go down, you will have a multiple intermediate switches, and you will have one gang two-way switch. That will be one, and you will have another one gang two-way switch based on the far end, and one gang two-way based on the first terminal, first way. So this intermediate, first of all, I've done a video showing you how I do the wiring of an intermediate switch, and go there, search how to wire an intermediate switch. You will find that video. So for this one, I will show you how I do wiring, how we do wiring of using this. So for example, you have so many lights in your go down, and severally you have your switches overheating. So I will show you how I will use this, but now you will be controlling those heavy bulbs, those heavy lightings, using your intermediate switches and your one gang two-way switches. Now welcome. Okay, now guys, first of all, let me start by connecting that neutral to our load. So you remember, neutral is always neutral is not disconnected. Give the load your neutral. So this live cable shall wait. Now, so remember, let me put them this way so that you can understand. So this one is my one gang, this one is my intermediate, and this one is the one gang two-way. I repeat, I want you to understand me. So this one is one gang two-way intermediate switch, then one gang two-way. So remember, I told you, if I want to wire a go down, I will make sure that I use multiple intermediate switch here continuously. I use multiple. So remember, I will have intermediate, then intermediate, then intermediate, then one gang two-way, and one gang two-way. So first, let us start by wiring. This one gang two-way. So I'm going to pick my power here. Then so I'm going to take my power where it is written common. So as usual, you have to know that common. Alright. Then guys, going from So my cable there. Okay, so I bring to my intermediate switch. Okay, so remember I'm doing this way so that you can see, and then I'm going to take from that. So guys, my power has taken. I have from the source, then to common, then the two-way I come and take to this intermediate switch, switch. You see, then this one is so I want to understand, I want you to get this thing here. So if remember I'm showing you how we do a wiring of a go down, where we have so many entries, but those entries you want only those all bulbs or those lights to be controlled with only one switch. But that switch, you will not put it in one place. You have to put those switches, you have to put that switch in those all entries. So what do? You do this one here. So if you have so many entries, you use so many intermediate switches. So that is what I'm showing you guys here. Okay, so that power continues. All right. There. Okay. And then there. So remember, if I have so many, so in case here, this is the one gang two-way intermediate switch, then one gang two-way. So if my go down has 3 entries, so the first entry, the second entry, then the third entry. So if I have so many entries, even if it is 12, 13, I will make sure I use, for example, if I have 10 entries, I will use 8 intermediate switch, then I use the remaining 2, I use one gang two-way, then I use one gang two-way switches. I'll have to use only 2. If I have 50 entries in my go down, I will have to use 48 intermediate switches. Then I use the remaining 2, I use only one gang two-way, then one gang two-way. So remember, those one gang two-ways, they are the ones that the first one receives power, then the last one always takes power to the load. Remember that if you are getting that one. So let me show you now. So when we want to finish, I have to make sure that my power, I take it to there. Guys, I don't know if you are understanding my English. I have said if we are using, if you want your go down to, you have so many entries. Remember, I repeat, if you have 50 entries, you will have to use 48 intermediate switches. Then the remaining 2, always you have to use the one gang two-way switches. That means where power is coming from, power must be taken by that intermediate, that one gang two-way switches. Then the last one, you have to use one gang two-way switches that take power now to the load, as you can see. So let me come here. So this part here for the neutral, so that neutral is on. Then that one, so I'm going to put on, you see, if sorry guys, that means now I put on my power here. So I'm going to put on my first. So let me show you how that go down work. So remember, the first switch, when you enter, the first entry somebody has entered has put on the lights. So if he want to get out using the second entry, he will put off the lights. So if another guy comes in through the third entry, he will have to put on the lights. So if he wants to come, he want to exit through the last entry, so he'll have to put off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So guys, I want to introduce this thing here. This one is this one here is a contactor. I want to introduce this to this one here. So guys, remember, I'm repeating so that you can understand me very clearly. If you have a go down that has so many entries, remember, you will have to use so many intermediate switches, more than one gang two-way switches. So always remember, one gang two-way switches, you will have to use only 2 of them. Even if you have 100 intermediate switches, that means if you have 100 entries that enters through your go down or your room or hospital, anywhere. So for that guys, same, I'm going to do a video of this contactor showing you how, if you have so many lights that overheats your switches. Remember, these switches has only 10 to 8 to 15 amperes there, so it cannot hold so many lights, even if you hold so big floodlights. Okay, now don't forget to subscribe on my channel guys. Don't forget to subscribe, support. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch my videos. Also, I'm being monetized guys, so don't skip those ads, please. Thank you.